welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Denise Joy. Today I am sharing my experience with the Black & Decker leaf blower. Honey, this baby is the truth. I get a lot of leaves in my yard, and the past couple of years I had spent a lot of time raking leaves. Well, in my part of the world, fall has just started, so I thought, let me try this leaf blower thing. And when I say it is a lifesaver, I'm going to share some clips of me leaf blowing on my driveway, back patio, my front lawn, my front porch, my steps. And what used to take me, let's say 30 to 45 minutes, maybe even an hour, took me 15 minutes. You heard it, 15 minutes. You can get it from Amazon. It is light. It's the best. So here we go.